Hello, and as requested, a lady by the name of Shoshana Bean Make It Rain live at the theater at the Ace Hotel. Now, I've never heard of her. I don't know what she's got, so let's get it. Oh, that's the fanciest hotel I have ever seen. I'm loving the live band, little orchestra there. Y'all know how I feel about live instruments. Stick a fork in me. That was beautiful. Okay. Goosebumps. The tone of transition. To refine purest of kings. Sing. Even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same. Come on, Melisma. Come on with that low run. Now siege, it needs a woman to grow up from the ground. But it just keeps on getting harder. She is bad. She is bad. Oh, the hunger more profound. The band. The sky filled with thunderous applause, and that lightning be the vein. Fill the sky. Beautiful. That they can run. You better run. If she don't goosebumps, that's all I can say. Play that horn, man. Seas fill water. It stops by the shore. So smooth, that tone. Riches of grandeur And play, y'all. Play. Did y'all sing? Ooh. Unbelievable. Blow that horn too. Unreal. Beautiful. You better direct where nobody can see you since you're behind all of them. You better direct. My God. My Lord. That was absolutely, that was an experience. That was more than a performance. That was an experience. Um, First of all, I've got to start off with the orchestra. Amazing. The atmosphere they create, the horns, um, and that guy on electric guitar. The chords he was playing at some points in the songs were just gave me chills alone. The melody, I mean, it just blown me away. Absolutely incredible, really. Um, I love live instruments to death. I love live orchestras even more. Um, just I love atmosphere when they create atmosphere like that. When it's like they're telling a story with their instruments, and it's like they literally pull at your heartstrings. Those just strings and the horns, like they literally telling you a story. It's incredible, and Shoshana is, I mean, just exquisite voice. I mean, the way she transitions is incredible. The way her tone is incredible. Um, I mean, when she hit those lows, those rich lows, those runs, um, I'm speechless. I'm blown away. The runs, the transitions, the band, everything was incredible. I'm running out of time, but I would love to hear more from her piece.